Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hey guys, hope everyone's having a wonderful today's Tuesday.
Yeah, wonderful Tuesday. I did finish this journal. I did go ahead and put the heart on, but you can remove that. I just put those little backers on that kind of are like safety pins if you want to. So I felt like it was kind of plain, so I just added another thing. It says live in the moment. I added some keys, a little bit of lace, and then some bling, and of course the little eyelet brads. So this is a chenille cover that Clint made, and I think it's beautiful. I love it. So fun. I love the feel of it. Just feels good. We do have a big ribbon to tie it with.
And it's not that crinkly crap either.
Yeah, it's a big ribbon. It's not the crinkly crap he was saying. Okay, so let's go through here. I have a couple of other items I want to show you guys. They will also be in our Etsy. But this is, oh, I don't remember the paper pad name. I'll have to look it up. I know it's Stamperia something or other. But it's just a really pretty pink. It was paper I had in my stash. So we made these. This was a placemat that was dyed pink already. Coffee dyed paper. We have a cute little card. And then in here I just put some journaling tags. There's a lot in this one. And then I did a collaged edge page. Some more journaling spots. On coffee dyed paper. Some more of the paper pad. Then this was inspired by Gwendolyn. Hi, Gwendolyn.
Hi, Gwendolyn. Love you.
Love you. And then you can journal inside there. So I love that. A fabric flip that Clint made. We just sewed that onto some coffee dyed paper. You can journal underneath. Some eco dyed paper that someone sent me from, I don't know, I know she was international. I can't remember what her name was. And some rickrack. Plenty of journaling spots in here. This is a card that we put on this piece, and then we just put a little tag in there somehow. Oh, I know it goes in there. There it goes. Then there's also a card on the back right there. This one though, you can remove it. So if you want to keep this card, it's rose hips, but there's also information about rose hips on the back. So I kind of wanted you to be able to read that if you wanted. Cute belly band I had in my stash. Another journaling card from that paper pad. Some paper we made with it's either watercolor or those one thingamajiggies. Oh, I think it was Distress ink, the sprays. Some ribbon there, that eco dyed paper. One of these inspired by my friend Donna. There we go. So cute. This is a hidden journaling spot, so you can take it out, you can journal. This folds down, and then you can journal, put it back, and no one really knows unless you tell them. So, coffee dyed paper. This was, somebody sent me this. I can't remember who it was, but it was a paper clip, and I thought, well, perfect for this journal. And then this is our hidden, one of our hidden journaling spots. So the ultimate. So that will slide off, and then you can journal, and then this will slide back on. This is some Edith Holden paper. Isn't that cute? Love that. Coffee dyed paper. Another little pocket. I think it's so pretty. And then, oh, I didn't put anything in there. There's plenty of stuff coming with this journal because, yeah, here's a bag full, and I haven't even finished the other papers that I wanted to put in there.
Wow.
Yeah, so you'll have plenty to decorate more. Look at that eco dye paper. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then paper from the kit, from the book. Another little pocket. Another one of these little cards.
Sorry.
And back, Edith Holden paper. Another one of these cute things, inspired by Donna. So cute. I love this journal. A lot going on. I do have 2 charms on the bottom of each of these. Sorry, I didn't show those. This was from my friend Lorette. She signed the back of it. And then, so it's just a pocket with some tags. And then this, I just use that for decoration. Edith Holden paper. Here's one of those kind of folded things, journaling spot. Another little pocket. Gorgeous. I love this journal. You're in one of these kind of fun paper clips that we use the wood piece on. And then this is also an ultimate tuck spot, so take this off and just pull it out and you can journal and then cover it back up. And then this is another journaling spot, extra coffee dyed paper. I love secret journaling spots in my journals. So, and that is this gorgeous journal. This one turned out so fun, and I loved working with the pink. I don't do a lot of pink, but I really loved that. That was such a blast. And then I wanted to share a couple of other things. Oh, that's not even the one I had set for you guys. This is the wood.
Oh, this might be the one you're talking about.
So we are doing wood chips. Oh, it was in here.
Oh,
It's okay. I don't need to show it. It was just,
Oh.
I don't know what's in that one. So just some wood chips. This is what Clint was working on when he cut his finger. But some people wanted some. You just drill a hole in it. And then what we did, we do have a video, but we just put an eyelet and then just sealed it, and then put it on our paper clips. But this one has like wormholes. Isn't that cool?
yeah, they're unfinished, so.
They are unfinished, but if you're interested, I don't know how many people would be interested, and just email me if you have any questions, or you know you want Clint to punch holes. He could. I don't know if he could do that, but we could make it work.
I can make it work. I mean,
But so we have several. I think we have like 15 bags of these.
yeah, and 2 of them are things.
Oh yeah, Kateri, your things are ready.
Yes, Kateri.
And then I wanted to show you guys this awesome thing. My friend Betty did us a digital kit to post in the store to help with Clint's medical bills. So I wanted to show you. This was a steampunk set. Had it upside down, didn't I? Did I?
I don't know.
No, that's right. I thought this was a boat, but it's not. It's one of those flying things in the
It's
air.
a Zeppelin.
A Zeppelin? Whatever you say, honey. Flying
blimp.
thing in the air.
It's a
A blimp, yeah. So, but look at this kit. So this is now available in the store, and all proceeds will go to help him with his medical bills. So for those of you who don't know, he did
I got in a fight with the table saw and I lost.
cut his finger straight through the middle finger, and they thought he was going to have to amputate, but thankfully they did not have to. So people are coming out of the woodwork with help, and we
Yes, thank
really
you
appreciate that,
so
as we do not have
All the
insurance.
prayers, it just means everything.
It really does. So this is like the kit of stamps and little odds and ends. So, and she said she really wanted to do one that you could use for men or women. Isn't that cute? I love that. I don't know a lot about steampunk, but I read up on it today a little bit, so that was kind of fun. But look at those images. Aren't those gorgeous? So pretty.
Job.
She does, and her Etsy is stock full of images, and she's putting up like one a week right now. So
Plus, didn't she have coffee dyed paper?
I think she has coffee dye paper and stuff, but I will put her link below, so you guys go check out Betty's page, her YouTube, and her Etsy, and tell her I sent ya.
Yes.
Look at this, I love this. It's all these numbers and stuff, but look, right in the center. And that's just part of the kit. It says the Rambling Crafter right in the center. Isn't that funny?
I love it.
I love it too. So she just added that fun little surprise. That's so cool. And she kind of did it in their style. So pretty. I did print these on Red River paper. So I will try to link that below too, if you're not familiar, but it's just so bright and just beautiful papers. So fun, but man, she just knocks these out like we're standing still. She doesn't sleep, so she's like, look what I made last night.
Amazing.
Hi, Betty.
Yes,
I know you're watching.
Thank you, Betty. It just means so much.
So much. Thank you, guys. So pretty. So yeah, if you're interested, then definitely go check that out. So pretty. So, and I believe that's all. We didn't have as many fabric flips as we expected, so I don't know if we'll be putting any of those in the store for a while.
I'll try to work on some.
But mainly I just wanted to show you this. It is going in the store. These will go in the store soon, but this journal will be going up at 4 p.m. Mountain Time. And the Etsy, the Rambling Crafter on Etsy, there will be a link below. But yeah, I think it turned out really cute. So if you're interested, check that out. 4 o'clock Mountain Time. Thanks for watching. We got the and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for visiting. Tutzines.